So let us think of the application. If you divide a number by 2 and the remainder is 0, if you divide a number by 2 and the remainder is 0, it is an even number. Is that right? So this mod operator can be used to find whether a number is odd or even. Okay. So now what is the remainder value? If the remainder is 0, we want to say this is an even number. If the remainder is not 0, we want to say it's an odd number. So let's do this. So this is where I'm introducing you to conditional statements. How would we say normally? I'm writing it in comments so we can follow along. If remainder is equal to 0, write to console that the number is even. If remainder is, or you would say else, it means write to console that the number is odd. So let us see how that would be. So these are comments, they won't get executed in our code. So remember that. This is how we do brainstorming. We can write things in the comment and brainstorm, and then if you don't like it, you can delete it later. So how does the if for a program, all this should come to an equation. Okay, and all this will be inside a block. Okay, so how does an if statement look? It will say if condition expression. So this will be an expression. Then you will start a block like this. You will do something here. Else you will do in this block, do something else. Okay, take a look. So we changed this English into this particular format. Okay, if you say if and then you open a parenthesis and close the parenthesis, within that you evaluate an expression. Instead of saying remainder is equal to 0, we would say it as a mathematical equation. Okay, and then normally all statements end with a semicolon, but not the if condition. So the if condition will have the braces, there won't be any semicolon. If you put a semicolon here, it would terminate the statement. None of this code will execute. So remember that. Okay, let's do it. If remainder is equal to 0, is equal to is going to be called as a comparison. Is equal to is double equal to. If you put single equal to, that is a different meaning. It is assignment. So we are comparison operator. We are using comparison operator here. Then we put this guy. Okay, else again. Okay, if remainder equal to 0, that's comparison. So double equal to is comparison operator. Single equal to is assignment operator. Okay, if remainder is 0, what do? We say console dot write line given number is even. Else we say given number is odd. Let's build. Build succeeded, 0 failed. Let's start execution. It's the same number 13. 13 divided by 2 is 6 quotient. 1 is the remainder because given number is odd.